Hello, welcome to 3-Minute Tour Channel. Thank you for joining us. Here, we embark on fantastic journeys to breathtaking destinations worldwide. Through our videos, we share exciting travel experiences, provide essential tips and hidden gems, all while aiming to make you feel like you're traveling right alongside us. Get ready to indulge in amazing adventures with 3-Minute Tour Channel. When visiting Siem Reap, Cambodia, there are several fantastic restaurants that offer both a smooth dining experience and a fun atmosphere. Here are the top 5 must-visit restaurants in Siem Reap for a memorable dining experience. Cuisine Wat Damnak, located in a traditional Cambodian house, Cuisine Wat Damnak is a fine dining restaurant that serves modern Cambodian cuisine. Chef Joanne's Riviere creates a set menu that changes regularly to showcase seasonal ingredients and traditional flavors with a contemporary twist. Marum is not only a delightful restaurant, but also a social enterprise that supports underprivileged young people by providing them with vocational training in the hospitality industry. The menu offers a fusion of Khmer and international dishes, and the lively atmosphere makes it a fun place to dine. The Sugar Palm is a popular restaurant in Siem Reap, known for its authentic Khmer cuisine. It offers a wide range of traditional dishes, prepared with fresh ingredients and local flavors. The restaurant has a charming ambiance and friendly staff, making it a pleasant place to enjoy a meal. Chanri Tree, nestled in a traditional wooden house, Chanri Tree serves delectable Khmer cuisine with a contemporary twist. The restaurant offers an extensive menu featuring traditional favorites, as well as innovative dishes. The warm and inviting atmosphere adds to the overall dining experience. Mahob Khmer Cuisine offers a unique dining experience with its village-style concept. The restaurant recreates a traditional Cambodian village setting and serves a variety of authentic Khmer dishes. Guests can enjoy their meal in huts surrounded by lush greenery, providing a fun and immersive experience. These restaurants not only offer delicious food, but also provide an enjoyable ambiance that enhances your dining experience in Siem Reap. Subscribe and like. Have a wonderful day today as well. Thank you.